Few things we talked about the treaties of climate change. Here these points I gave him mine, and we have agreed that I'll sign it. Problema hanggang ngayon wala. So where is it? Sabi ko, sir, it's not on my table as yet. Second, it's about how to handle this virus side on the peace process. He gave a few suggestions. He gave me a book to retrace the history of how Maheswari came in from the cold to talk to the government. And third is probable candidates for ambassadors to yung hindi naman critical but crucial countries. The right people to handle the diplomatic play.
Sir, anything concerned or controversial issue na ni-raise ni FPP?
Hindi yan sinaga, ano? Yung mga politika. Yes. He does not dwell on it, actually, Presidente. But if you want to mention the name of other guys on the other side.
Your relationship with US?
Amo ko yan, ano ka man?
Pero yung working relations niyo with former
No, he gave me some points. Sabi niya, this you should consider.
So it was a pleasant
Always. Hindi naman nag-ano yan. I mean, he has his moments of, you know, that exclamation point.
Yes.
But the president is always courteous and nice.
So any recommendation?
He addresses me always as president.